Cool. All right, I'm going to this guy. Taxi passes. Whiskey. All right, we're in the Varga. Test flight. First flight out with Mr. Paul.
You want to tell him you're at the West Tees and ready to taxi?
Yeah, I was waiting on this guy so I can follow him. I know they're going. All right.
You got to talk to the ground.
Yep. On the ground, good afternoon. Varga 4630 Victor at the West Tees with Whiskey. Looking for to stay in the pattern for touch and goes, please. Oh, this guy's Dave.
Number 4630 Victor, Bowman Ground. Good afternoon. Did you say you're at the West Tees?
Yes, I'm at the West Tees. 30 Victor.
430 Victor, thanks. So runway 15 taxi via Delta Alpha Foxtrot. Cross runway 24 at Foxtrot.
All right, 15 taxi via Delta Alpha Foxtrot. Cross 24 on Foxtrot. 30 with Victor. All right, great.
Final 8782 Delta at the West Tees with information Whiskey. We're going to be a VFR westbound and requesting runway 24.
Number 1782 Delta, roger. Do you just want a flight following through the Charlie, or you're looking for a flight following to a destination?
Negative on the flight following. I'll remain clear of Charlie.
Number 2 Delta, roger. Are you planning to transition to the northwest or to the southeast and then begin your westbound turn?
It'll be northwest, yep.
Right, 2 Delta, thanks. So remain outside the Charlie airspace northwest bound. Runway 15 taxi via Delta Alpha Foxtrot, cross runway 24.
Delta Alpha Foxtrot, the runway 15, cleared across 24 at Fox, and could you squeeze me out runway 24 today?
Uh-oh.
Right, 2 Delta, I'm sorry, you did say that. Runway 24 taxi via Delta Alpha.
Delta Alpha for 82 Delta, thank you.
Shout out to the people in the tower.
Huh?
Nah, I just be talking to myself sometimes. Just walking through my out loud. All right, lift off 60 miles per hour, climb out at 80.
There you go.
November 4630 Victor, Bowman Tower, you ready?
4630 Victor, 15, ready departure.
Number 4630 Victor, traffic departing ahead of you is also going to be doing pattern work. Just follow them. Left close traffic, runway 15, clear for takeoff.
All right, left close traffic, runway 15, clear for takeoff. 03 Victor. All right. All right, we're good.
1 Tango Charlie is on
Rich, trim is set. Keep the roll in.
691 Tango Charlie, Bowman Tower, runway 15, clear for the option. After the option, make left close traffic.
Rotating at 60.
Clear for the option, runway 15,
Clear
left
right.
close traffic, 1 Tango Charlie.
We're clear left.
And Bowman Tower, Skyhawk 20312 is ready to go 15.
Skyhawk 20312, Bowman Tower, roger. Can you take no delay here in a second?
We sure can. 20312.
November 20312, the wind is 1905. Make a left-hand turn to the north. Traffic departing ahead will be in left close traffic. Just give them space.
We're at 60,
and
rotate.
runway 15, clear for takeoff.
15 clear for takeoff, left turn to the north.
Put your nose down.
Say it again.
Put your nose down a little bit.
Nose down, let it build.
Yeah, let her come up. There you go, now you're at 80. Keep nose down, and she'll climb and get...
Number 176, number 2, follow traffic on a 1.5 mile final, runway 15, clear for the option.
Number 2 will be looking for the traffic on final, runway 15, clear for the option, 12176.
All right, we're going to begin our left turn. Oh, actually, got that traffic in sight that we're following.
I thought they said left, yeah, left traffic.
Left traffic following.
I see him,
yep.
I see him.
312, that traffic is going to be in left closed traffic, and there's additional traffic coming up off your left. It needs you on the runway heading. Just fly.
You want me to continue this heading? 20312?
Turn right now, please.
Right, 20312.
November 176, traffic ahead and to your left, that's Cessna 1200. They're turning back to the west, or to the south.
Side 176.
All right,
November 30 Victor, as you turn to the downwind, there's going to be traffic passing off your left wing that is turning back to the south. 1300, they're off your left wing now.
Pull your power back a little bit. We're high enough.
All right.
For 30 Victor, follow the Cessna approaching the midfield downwind, number 2, runway 15, clear for the option.
Turn on traffic on 15, clear for the options. 30 Victor.
Pull your power back a little bit.
November 1 Tango Charlie, there's traffic about a mile off of departure, and it's going to start a left-hand turn to the north Cessna. You're going to follow a military-looking aircraft on, just passing off your left wing here in a moment. That's on the left downwind, fly runway heading.
We got the traffic off our left inside, and we got this guy in front of us inside as well. Do you want us to pass behind the guy in front of us for 1 Tango Charlie?
For 1 Tango Charlie, you're going to be turning to the north. You can turn your crosswind. They're above pattern altitude, that traffic ahead of you.
Copy that. We'll go ahead and turn our crosswind. We have that other traffic inside off our wing. 691 Tango Charlie.
We're 312, you can proceed on course.
Proceed on course, 20312.
Loma Tower, Cessna 989 Charlie Whiskey, 10 miles to the southeast, inbound full stop, we have Whiskey.
We're 989 Charlie Whiskey, Bowman Tower, make left traffic, runway 15, report the downwind.
Left traffic 15, we'll report the downwind, 9 Charlie Whiskey.
Daniel.
Hello.
All right, we're reviewing the numbers. Got this traffic in sight on base.
That's a boy. Pull the power back a little bit. Going nice, easy descent. Right. There, at 172 is way lower than we are.
All right, that's why I wanted to say it.
Go ahead and make your turn. We got good separation.
Wind 1708, altimeter 2984.
There you go. Now, nice and easy.
All right, we're going
Number 1 Tango Charlie. If you lose sight of that aircraft you're following, just let me know. They're on the base turn now. Normal base turn should be fine.
Roger, 1 Tango Charlie. We still have the traffic.
We're going to throw one notch of flaps in.
You can put a notch in, yeah.
Yep. One notch of flaps. Showing and indicated and showing. Indicated and showing. Wow, that 172 is really low.
Yeah, that's about right. He's maybe a little low, yeah. All right, start your turn. You're at 1,000 feet.
November 9 Charlie Whiskey, verify you're a full stop.
We're a full stop, 9 Charlie Whiskey.
Thank you. November 1 Tango Charlie, after your touch and go, just fly runway heading, I'll call your crosswind turn for spacing and sequence.
You'll call my crosswind after this option, 1 Tango Charlie.
All right, do the next notch of flaps.
That's okay. You're doing fine. Looks good. Feels good.
Feels great.
Yep. And she'll lay right down.
November 176, turn left crosswind as soon as able for spacing, please.
All right, roger that. We're turning across 1 able for 176.
That's a boy. Looks good. Now just hold her off.
November 9 Charlie Whiskey, departing runway 15 currently is an experimental multicolors, green and yellow. You should see them here in a moment. You're going to be following them. Just plan. Let me know whenever you see them. They'll be on the left crosswind turn here shortly.
Roger that, 9 Charlie Whiskey looking for the experimental.
Go ahead, rotate.
Right. Put your nose down. Don't want to climb real hard.
All right. Getting used to the yoke.
Yeah, let her get some speed.
30
There, you got the
Victor, we'll
speed.
turn in, just turn left crosswind as soon as you can. Follow that traffic heading to your left on the crosswind, turn it downwind.
All right, left turn to meter 30 Victor.
Traffic inside Charlie Whiskey.
We're 9 Charlie Whiskey, Roger. Verify it's the one on the crosswind turn you see climbing. They're still pretty low level.
Thought I saw it up there just turning over Caden Tower.
Negative. They're on the left crosswind turn. They just heading to your left, about 11 o'clock, and a mile and a half, about 2 miles actually on the crosswind turn.
Roger, alright, negative contact for Charlie Whiskey, still with it.
For 9 Charlie Whiskey, spacing should be fine. I don't have an altitude readout on them currently, but they're approaching, I'd say, like 1,200 possibly.
Roger, Charlie Whiskey.
November 30 Victor, traffic, you're following, just heading to your left on the downwind. There's traffic joining the downwind behind you by 1.5 miles Cessna. They're looking for you. Haven't got you in sight yet.
I got this traffic I'm following in sight, 30 Victor.
For 9 Charlie Whiskey, we need some S-turns for spacing that's approved. They're now 12 o'clock and a mile on the downwind. Still don't have an altitude on them. They're close to pattern altitude.
Inside there, 12 o'clock. We'll do a couple S-turns to space this out.
Thank you. November 1 at Tango Charlie, normal crosswind turns approved. You're going to follow a Cessna joining the left downwind, just heading to your left, 1,200 indicator, report them in sight.
We have the traffic and normal cross sign approved for all hands, Tango Charlie.
November 1 Tango Charlie, just fly runway heading.
Fly runway heading, 1 Tango Charlie.
November 176, runway 15, clear for the option.
Runway 15, clear for the option, 176.
Number 30 Victor, number 2, runway 15, clear for the option.
Number 2, 15, clear for the option, 30 Victor. Wow, he just dropped. Why are they dropping like that?
I don't know. Students do some strange stuff out here. I hope that instructor's helping him pick that up. But you're at the right altitude.
Yeah, I feel comfortable. I'm comfortable.
Yeah, you're good.
This guy is just...
He's flying way too.
Charlie, turn left crosswind. Your traffic is approaching midfield left downwind. Number 4, runway 15, clear for the option.
Go ahead and start your turn.
Was that for 1 Tango Charlie?
For 1 Tango Charlie, affirmative, turn left crosswind. Number 4, follow traffic. Beam the approach in left downwind, runway 15, clear for the option.
Crosswind approved, and we'll look for that traffic. Clear for the option 15, 1 Tango Charlie.
Number 9 Charlie Whiskey, follow the traffic ahead of you on the left base. Number 3, runway 15, clear to land.
Follow traffic, number 3, clear to land, runway 15, Charlie Whiskey.
Alright, we're going to throw another notch of flaps.
Bowman Tower System.
Alright,
642 Tango Hotel.
Actually, we're too fast,
RNAV 24, circle to
maintain your altitude.
Number 642 Tango Hotel, Bowman Tower, Roger, report circling for the left downwind, runway 15.
I think that guy might be in
We'll
trouble.
report circling for the left downwind, runway 15.
We're getting too close to him.
Yeah, I'm going to slow up.
Wind
Yeah,
2205, altimeter 2984.
We're in the white arc, 1 notch of flaps. So I'm going to go ahead and go both.
Okay. Bring up to about 1,700 and hold your altitude. It should be at 8. Yeah, you're getting a little slow.
Yeah.
Put a little power in. I don't know. We got pretty good. You're all right. You're doing good. We're at 80 miles an hour. Yeah, good job.
And Tower 1 Tango Charlie, just to confirm the traffic at our 12 o'clock turn in for our base. That's who we're following, correct?
Number 1 Tango Charlie, affirmative.
Well, we got him in sight. Thanks, 1 Tango Charlie.
Thank you.
We might get a go around on this one.
Hope not. Maybe.
Yeah, we are. Is he going to take off?
Number 30 Victor, let's go around, parallel the left side, runway 24. I'll get you in front of that traffic and just touch down. So just you can turn your left crosswind at your discretion to follow traffic midfield left downwind. They'll be passing off your left wing in a moment.
All right, go around left side parallel to the runway and start our crosswind turn. And midfield left downwind for runway 15. This is 30 Victor. All right, cleaning up.
November 176, fly runway heading. I'll call your crosswind turn.
Runway heading, you call the crosswind for 12176.
Don't get your nose
30 Victor, your traffic now is on the left downwind. They'll be turning left base in a moment. That traffic just departed ahead of you is going to be extending to follow you. Runway 15, clear for the option.
I got that traffic I'm following on the downwind in sight. 15 clear for the option, 30 Victor.
Coleman Tower, Stopper 926, Juliet Papa, takeoff 15.
Stopper 926, Juliet Papa, Bowman Tower, Roger, hold short, runway 15, landing traffic.
6 Juliet Papa, hold short.
Cessna 176, turn left crosswind, follow the aircraft joining the midfield left downwind. Number 4, runway 15, clear for the option.
Crosswind, we'll keep an eye out for that traffic. Number 4, clear for the option 15, 12176.
November 2 Tango Hotel, you're following a Cessna on the left crosswind turn. As you get a little closer, you should see them approaching midfield. Let me know if you see them. Number 5, runway 15, clear to land.
Mixed up.
I hear you.
Just because it's like right here, you know what I mean?
We'll let you know.
Yep.
642 Tango Hotel.
November 176, we'll keep your downwind in tight.
Keep her tight.
All right, our traffic's on our left.
Wind 170.
We got one in front of us?
Yeah, we got one in front of us.
Okay,
that traffic right there, we got one on the left base right
November
now.
2 Tango Hotel,
Okay,
traffic
I see
follows,
him.
11 o'clock and 3
we got
miles
good
on the downwind,
separation.
1,300 indicated to Cessna.
It's weird though, because they're taking it very wide.
2 Tango Hotel.
Normally I put
They're
my
being
base
the
right here.
departure in now.
That's nice. See, 2,000 RPMs and you're holding a nice little altitude and you're not going real fast. You're doing good, Jay.
Thank you.
This is a soft little airplane. You don't have to do
November 2
anything.
Tango Hotel, that traffic should be 12 o'clock. I'll be in the numbers, runway 24.
Traffic in sight, 2 Tango Hotel.
For 2 Tango Hotel, Roger. Follow them, please.
We'll follow them, 2 Tango Hotel.
She responds really well to you.
She does.
Number 9 Charlie Whiskey, turn left on Alpha, contact ground, have a good day.
Left on Alpha, ground you 2. Charlie Whiskey.
Thank you. Citabria 6 Juliet Papa, it's going to be hopefully not too much longer, but I appreciate your patience. We'll get you moving as soon as we can.
6 Juliet Papa.
Clear right. Flaps down 1 notch.
November 176, extend your downwind for 1 additional mile for traffic. I'm going to try to get out in front of you.
All right, Roger, that sounds good. We'll go a mile farther for 176.
Thank you.
All right, next got your flaps.
November 1 Tango Charlie, extend your upwind. I will call your crosswind turn.
You'll call the crosswind turn for 1 Tango Charlie.
Number 176, you can turn your left base if you haven't already.
Flaps down.
Return to base 76.
Full throttle.
Thank you. Number 2 Tango Hotel, that traffic just extended a bit for so we can get some traffic out. You still have them in sight?
We're at 60.
Still have them in sight, 2 Tango Hotel.
Thank you. Citabria 6, Juliet Papa, left turn. Actually, fly runway heading for now. I'll call your turn on course, runway 15, clear for takeoff.
6 Juliet Papa, runway heading clear for takeoff.
November 1 Tango Charlie, turn left crosswind.
Turning left crosswind, 1 Tango Charlie.
November 30 Victor, follow the traffic a mile ahead of you, turning left crosswind 1,400, number 4.
All right, follow traffic, number 4, 30 Victor.
Skyhawk 2 Tango, correction, 2 Tango Hotel, class Charlie's approved if you do clip it just a bit.
Cleared to Charlie, 2 Tango Hotel, thanks.
be a 6 Juliet Papa. Traffic just off of departure, and there's a military-looking aircraft that just did a touch and go in front of you. Could you see them?
6 Juliet Papa, affirmative.
We're 6 Juliet Papa, roger. Maintain visual separation behind them. Turn left on course. They're going to stay with us and left close traffic.
6 Juliet Papa, left on course behind the whatever the military-looking aircraft is.
We're at VARGA.
What is it?
VARGA.
VARGA, okay.
I'll get it. They'll figure it out. When you're traveling across country and ground control asks you, it's in the computer under Victor Golf 21, VG 21. And they will ask you, because they don't know what a VARGA is.
Yeah, I mean, just like me, I didn't know. And I'm sure that guy I just said it's a VARGA. He's probably like, what the hell's a VARGA?
Yeah. VG 21.
VG 21.
Standiford had a hell of a problem with me the first time I flew over them. I kept saying VARGA, VARGA.
747 X-ray Tango, be ready to go, Deanna Bravo.
November 747 X-ray Tango, Bowman Tower, roger. What was your direction of flight?
Going to the northeast, 7XT.
Roger, thank you. Oh, you're IFR, roger.
Oh, yeah, yep.
November 1 Tango Charlie, extend your downwind, and about 1 more mile, you can turn your base.
Extend downwind, and 1 more mile, we can turn base. 1 Tango Charlie.
Now, do you have a cigarette lighter in here?
No.
Okay.
I've never smoked, and I don't think the lady that had this airplane before me did either.
Oh, wait, I'm just saying, like, you know how people plug in their devices
yes,
to that? Yeah.
I know what you mean.
Okay. Not the smoke in the plane or nothing.
November 747 X-ray Tango. Actually, stand by. 4176, turn left crosswind.
Left crosswind, 12176.
Where's this guy going?
I don't know. He told him to extend, so.
Oh, okay.
And he
30 Victor, that traffic extended just a bit. You still have them in sight. They should be on their base turn.
I got traffic in sight, 30 Victor.
Thank you. Number 2 Tango Hotel, turn left on Alpha, contact ground.
Left on Alpha, contact ground, 2 Tango Hotel.
Number 747 Tango X-ray, correction, 747 X-ray Tango, turn left heading 1A, correction, right turn heading 1A0. Stand by.
Roger, stand by.
Number 7 X-ray Tango, left turn heading 080, runway 15, clear for takeoff.
080, clear for takeoff, 15, center, thanks.
November 62, leaning uniform, ready for takeoff.
If that was for 1 Tango Charlie, you got stepped on tower.
It was. Number 1 Tango Charlie, runway 15, clear for the option.
15 clear for the option, it would be a full stop for us, 1 Tango Charlie.
Roger, number 30 Victor, number 2, runway 15, clear for the option.
Number 2, 15 clear for the option, 30 Victor.
November 176, you're going to follow the experimental about 3 miles ahead of you on the left base turn now, and they'll be turning about a 3 mile final, runway 15, clear for the option.
We got that traffic in sight, clear for the option, runway 15, 12176, number 2.
Got the traffic in sight still?
Uh-huh.
We're going to clear right on 15, 1 final.
Bowman Tower, 62 Lima uniform, holding short runway 15, ready for takeoff.
Number 62 Lima uniform, Bowman Tower, roger, hold short runway 15, landing traffic.
Holding short.
November 7 X-ray Tango heading 080, contact departure, have a safe flight.
080, switch departure, yep.
It feels good, looks good. Nice altitude.
All right, one extra flaps. Got that glide slope, one white, one red, in the white arc.
Yep.
Number 2. All right, we're gonna go ahead and throw our second notch of flaps in.
November 1 Tango, correction, November 176, just square your turn to final. I got numerous departures. I'm trying to get out in front of you. Just square the turn there if you would, please.
All right, roger that. We'll keep it square for you for 176.
Thank you. November 1 Tango Charlie, contact ground. Have a good day.
Contact ground, 1 Tango Charlie. Good day.
Boeing Tower 980 Charlie Tango, holding short runway 15, ready for departure.
980 Charlie Tango, roger. You'll be number 2 for departure, runway 15, just hold short for landing traffic and departing.
Holding short runway 150 Charlie Tango.
November 2 Lima uniform, can you take a no delay here in just a second?
All right, we'll take a no delay in a second. Please see Lima uniform.
Number 2 Lima uniform, roger. Just make sure this experimental is going to do the touch and go, and we'll get you moving.
Yeah, I'm doing touch and go, boss.
Okay.
Full power.
November 2 Lima uniform, make left close traffic, follow the traffic departing ahead, runway 15, clear for takeoff, traffic approaching a mile final.
15, clear for takeoff, following traffic, 62 Lima uniform.
Okay.
Bowman Tower, experimental 413 Kilo Alpha, hold short runway 15, ready for takeoff.
Experimental 413 Kilo Alpha, Bowman Tower, roger. Hold short runway 15, landing traffic and departing.
Hold short runway 152 Kilo Alpha.
Number 30 Victor, continue left close traffic. You're going to follow traffic 3/4 mile final, runway 15, clear for the option. Numerous departures prior to your arrival.
All right, roger that. 15 clear for the option 15. Excuse me. 30 Victor.
You'll get it.
Yeah, I'll get it.
Tower 417, Mike Fox is ready after 413 Kilo Alpha. We'd like to follow him out.
November 417 Mike Foxtrot, roger. Have your request.
Frank.
Yeah. Yeah.